Honey badger's toughest battles ever, fearless warrior of the African wild. In the heart of Africa, one small predator has earned a legendary reputation. Standing barely a foot tall, yet feared by some of the continent's most dangerous animals, the honey badger never backs down. Powerful jaws, razor-sharp claws, loose skin, and unmatched courage make it one of nature's toughest survivors. Today, witness the honey badger's most intense battles ever recorded in the wild. Honey badger versus venomous cobra. The scorching African sun beats down as a deadly cobra raises its hood. The snake strikes with lightning speed, but the honey badger dodges, circles, and attacks with incredible precision. Again and again, the cobra lunges. The badger absorbs bites thanks to its thick skin and keeps fighting. Finally, one crushing bite to the snake's head ends the battle. Even after venom enters its body, the honey badger rests before recovering and finishing its meal. This remarkable resilience has helped make the honey badger one of Africa's most fearless predators. Honey badger versus python. Hidden among tall grass, a giant python launches a surprise attack. Its muscular coils wrap tightly around the badger. Most animals would quickly suffocate. The honey badger refuses to surrender. Using powerful claws, it tears at the snake's body while twisting free from the deadly grip. After an exhausting struggle, the python releases its hold and retreats. The fearless badger survives another impossible encounter. Honey badger versus leopard. A hungry leopard spots the small predator crossing open ground. The big cat charges. Instead of fleeing, the honey badger stands its ground. It growls loudly and attacks the leopard's face with astonishing aggression. The leopard hesitates. Sharp claws and painful bites make every attack costly. Eventually, the leopard decides the fight isn't worth the risk and walks away. Sometimes courage alone changes the outcome. Honey badger versus swarm of bees. The scent of fresh honey fills the air. High inside a tree hangs a massive wild beehive. Thousands of angry bees explode from the hive. Most animals would retreat instantly. Not the honey badger. Its thick skin and coarse fur provide protection as it tears open the hive. Ignoring hundreds of painful stings, it feasts on honey, wax, and nutritious bee larvae before disappearing into the bush. Honey badger versus African wild dogs. A pack of African wild dogs surrounds the lone badger. They attack from every direction. The honey badger spins constantly, preventing the pack from reaching its vulnerable back. Each dog that comes too close receives painful bites. The determined defender refuses to panic. After several failed attacks, the exhausted pack gives up. Once again, the fearless survivor walks away. From deadly snakes to giant pythons, powerful leopards, swarms of bees, and relentless wild dogs, the honey badger has proven why it is one of the toughest animals on Earth. Its strength isn't measured by size, but by determination, resilience, and courage. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible wildlife adventures. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.